Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to change or fix your door strike on a 1985 Chevy van. This one happens to be a G20, but it doesn't really matter. Nonetheless, I've saw some other videos and they mentioned about putting a plastic piece, but you can purchase a new strike plate like this one here, like at a O'Reilly's or probably Advanced Autos. And I'm sure online, and basically you remove it with a T50 socket there, and anyway, you may have to adjust the tallness of it. I noticed the other door, it's different. It only has 2 washers. This one has 3. And also, you may be able to get around it by basically adjusting the strike shaft there, moving it a little closer toward the door or whatnot. What happens is they become kind of worn out, as you can see there, and I guess the latch doesn't catch on it very good. Nonetheless, if you wanted to save some money, each one of these costs about 9 something, let's say $10 each. And I just swapped out both sides. So anyway, I thought I'd just put an update out there, real quick tutorial. And I used basically a ratchet with a telescopic to get more leverage on tightening it and removing it. Okay, have a good day. I wanted to point out that the door, typically what happens, you have to slam it really hard, but it should, once you replace the strike bolt, it should just close pretty simple like that, and it's flush, and you don't have to sit there and slam it a few times. Anyway, I forgot to mention that, and it should apply to even other Chevrolets, trucks and so forth. I believe they have the same strike bolt. So just a quick tutorial.